Hello students, today we are going to learn a new chapter in class 7, that is lesson number 5, an introduction to HTML5. In this chapter we are going to learn about the basic structure or format and the tags which are used for creating a web page and the various attributes which make a web page very attractive, innovative and beautiful. So let's start with our chapter.
Hello students, today we are going to start the HTML. To write down the coding for the HTML, we have to open the text editor window called Notepad. So now let's start the coding for the HTML. Open the Notepad. After opening the Notepad, we have to start writing the tag. The tag has to be written, the tags are in angular brackets. So the first tag which we have to write is HTML like this. After writing the HTML, I have to write down the head tag. Once I have written the head tag, I have to mention the title tag. After writing the title tag, I have to specify a particular title. You can add any word, a sentence or any person's name also. So I am writing my web page. Whatever the title we are writing, it will be displayed in the title bar of the web page. After writing the title, specifying the title name, we have to close the title tag with a slash. Once we have closed the title, now it's time to close the head tag. The HTML programming or the structure format is divided into two parts, that is the head and the body. Whatever we display or whatever we write in the body tag, it is being shown as a web page in the web page. Whatever the contents we are going to write down. So now let's start writing down the body tag. So here I am going to add the body tag. If I want to make my body very attractive, web page very attractive, then I have to add certain attributes in the body tag. So like this I am going to add BG color. Now you have to be very specific while writing down the coding for the attributes. In between BG and color there should not be any gap. And the spelling of the color should be COLOR instead of COLOUR. If you are going to write down the spelling as COLOUR, it will be displayed not as a proper color. The color of the web page will come out to be white only. So now I am going to write down the color. Either you can write down the color code or the name of the color. If the background is black, so the text has to be light in color. So I am specifying the white color. Once I have written the body tag, now I am going to write down a particular paragraph. Here we are going to start writing a paragraph, so it will start with the P tag. I am going to write a few sentences on the school. After writing the paragraph, I have to close the P tag. Now we have to close the body tag, and after closing the body tag, we have to at last close the HTML tag. Now, tags are of two types, container and empty tags. Container tags are those tags which are having a slash closing in between the angular bracket. Empty tags like HR, BR, they are not having any slash. They are just written within the angular bracket. And in empty tag, we cannot add any text. Now, it's time we have written a program. Now it's time to save the file. We all know whenever we have to save the file for the first time, we have to click at the file option, click at the save as option. I have already created a folder by the name of HTML in the D drive. It's better you should create a folder by the name of HTML where you are going to save all your programs of HTML, and it would be convenient for you to open that folder, double click on that file and view the web page. Now I have to specify the file name, so I am going to write down web page. We have to specify an extension. An extension, if you are not writing, then it will be taken as a text file, not as a web file, not as an HTML file. There are two types of extension you can add, either .htm or .html. So I am going to write down, after writing down the name of the file, I am going to specify .html and click at the save button. After opening the HTML folder, now we have to search for our web file page, the notepad file which we have converted into an HTML file. Our web page file was web page. See here, before it there is an icon of Internet Explorer. The Internet Explorer as its latest version, that is Microsoft Edge. Now to view the web page, simply we have to double click on that icon. Now you can see the following web page. It is the web page with the black as a background and the white as a text. So now students, here you can see my web page and with the basic HTML coding. We are going to see so many other codes also in my next video. Thank you and have a nice day.